This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include an intercooled turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, the Securilock anti-theft system, front fog lights, dusk sensing headlights, a rear window defroster, and a rear spoiler. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Bob Davidson Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1845 East Joppa Road in Baltimore.